Hey everyone, good morning, welcome back to my channel Art E Pics. I am Payal. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a combination of doodle art and mandala art. So, without delaying, let's get started. You can see that I already made a rough sketch of today's drawing. The right side, I made two mandala arts. One is a full circle and another one is a 1/4 half corner cycle mandala art. And the left side, I created a strip which is basically is a multicolored strip with doodle art. If you like this drawing, then please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, do comment below and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And one more request, please keep watching until the end. Thank you in advance. Hey, I have an Instagram account where I post all the final outcomes of my drawing. Please have a look and follow me there. I put that link in my description box and also mention on my screen. Thank you for watching until the end. Again, if you don't want to miss any of my upcoming videos, then please subscribe to my channel and be a part of my family. See you in my next video. Until then, bye.